If someone is nervous about the new Tantra level 1 and 2, what attitude would you suggest they approach it with?
Approach a workshop with a beginner's mind. I mean, if you are insecure, but you have actually had the courage to take the step to sign up to something that scares you, then, just having a beginner's mind and going there is the first step. I mean, I don't think there's so much more you can do. Yeah. If you prepare yourself as much as you can, like, for example, doing the 21-day challenge, keeping your energy high, not coming, just practicing a little bit at home, and maybe doing a session with a bodyworker to open up your body. There's not that much more I think they can do to work on their image. I mean, of course, you can do that in many different ways, but yeah.
I would also say that from my own experience in Tantra, it's not as important to have the looks, to look the way people want to look in everyday life to attract a partner or anything like that. I mean, the most fun, the coolest people I have around me, they're not fun to be around because they look so good.
No.
I mean, they're great lovers because they worked on themselves. They're skillful. They have empathy, and this makes them very popular. And this is not because they have huge boobs or are very slim or.
And then there's also that we in the workshops we play a lot with different types of flavors. So I mean. It can also just be that someone wants to try a different flavor than their usual flavor can just totally change the way people are attracted to them. So someone who, for example, always is dressed very conservative and never kind of lets loose, if they come to workshop and experiments with a different like a rock star flavor or I don't know, like a dominatrix flavor, something totally out of their comfort zone, that really changes that person's energy.